Hi, what's up everyone? In this video I will talk about the SoundPeats H1. SoundPeats is the new earbuds launched by them on Kickstarter. Price tag of $69. In this video I will do an unboxing and first look of the SoundPeats H1. For those scouting for earbuds capable of delivering the best wireless sound performance at an affordable price, SoundPeats H1 is without doubt the best option. Where the SoundPeats H1 shines the most is its sound quality, which beats other competitors in nearly every category. Highest performing hybrid dual driver system, most advanced Bluetooth chipset, adaptive compression algorithm and professional acoustic tuning, just to name a few. It sounds as good as TWS earbuds 2 or 3 times the price, and even rivals wired earbuds. So guys, this is the box of the brand new H1 earbuds. It has Qualcomm chipset and gaming mode as well. Let's open it and see what we have got. As you can see, box look quite premium with its design, and it's like they are targeting sports people. So here we go with the earbuds. Quite premium looking, as I said before. Silver and black color. First we get the Earbuds box through which you can charge your earbuds. Its quality is great. Then here are the earbuds. It also gives you premium feel. They have touch control and have many controls. Like single tap, double tap will perform different things. I will discuss these things later. Then we get the premium foam tip and some extra buds, and we have USB Type-C charging cable. You put them in the box and they will start charging. So this was it. Now let's talk about my experience with these. Overall the build quality is great. You get the touch sensor and Qualcomm chipset, which is great again. They have Bluetooth 5.2. You get the charging time of 40 hours playtime, but I will discuss more about the battery in my full review, so wait for that. Noise cancelling is also great, and these earbuds fit perfectly in ears. And the last thing, I have used these and sound quality is quite good, but again I will not comment anything more, just wait for my full review. They also have gaming mode. You just double tap on the earbud and you will enter into gaming mode. And the great thing is you will find zero lag while playing any game. I have tested these on PUBG and it was the awesome experience. Overall, in my first impressions I would rate it as 9 out of 10 because they are quite handsome in this price range. So this was the little unboxing and first look of the H1 earbuds. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.